all about you, Lauretta, the most beautiful girl I know. My celebrity, my personal solicitor. I love you loads. I wish you a lovely day. I thank you for the person that you are. You're the most selfless person, the kindest person, and having you on my side is just the best. Having you in my life has been the best experience ever. Here's to many more years together, fighting, making up, loving. Above all, I love you and I wish you all the best. Take care.
Is the second child of the family. She has been a great blessing to me, to every member of our family. She has been one of the best things that ever happened to our family as a whole. The brave decision she took as a young person really altered the course of my family. I just want to let her know that although sometimes we do get some hitches along the way, that she has been a very perfect sister. I couldn't have wished for a better sister in the world, and I just want to let her know that I love her so much.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lauretta. You've been a great support to the whole family, and I just want to wish you a great day today. It's really beautiful, and we are quite happy to be here and to celebrate with you. I pray that the Lord will guide you and bless you and your family always. Have a good one.
Happy birthday, Lauretta. We are so glad for this day. We're happy to be here to celebrate with you. We wish you all the best. You've been a good support, a very kind-hearted and hard-working person. We wish you many happy returns and more energetic years ahead of you. And we also thank God for you and for your family. Have a great day and enjoy your birthday.
Hey Lauretta, welcome to the fabulous 40. I wish you long life and prosperity.
Again, your mom, a brother to the celebrant, her younger brother. I'm wishing her all the best in life. Pray God should bless her with many, many more years. Divine wisdom, divine favor, God's guidance and protection, and all what she's been praying for, all what she's been praying for, all her heart desires should come to pass in her life. And she celebrates her birthday today, that God should grant her all her prayers. Happy birthday, Lauretta. We wish you well, all the best, blessings, guidance, protection, and favors. Hooray!
Welcome to such a glorious occasion as we welcome our celebrant, the woman of the hour, Mrs. Lauretta Forty.
Say my girl, they on top your body, yo. All the times where I do you bad, I'm sorry, yo. Give me love way better pass money, yo. Where sweet pass honey, yo. If I fight, make a fight for the love. If I grace, make a grace for the love. Don't want no complications. situation. If not grace, make a grace for the love. If not fight, I go fight for the love. No one, no complication. This is a situation. Baby, yo, baby, yo, I want to love you for life. Baby, yo, baby, yo, come make I love you for life. I die with my person now. Baby girl, you are the one. Love where I love you now. This kind of love where I love you now. Girl, I wanna be your customer. For your love, I be your hustler. Love where I love you now. Every superwoman is a superman. Your love give me joy where I know beauty understand. Fine girl, you don't need no other man. No other man.
Added another wonderful, blessed, wonderful Lord of God here to your daughter, Lauretta Park. This family, Lord of God, they are blessed. And today, as they have called people from different parts of this country and outside this country to celebrate with them, Lord, your hand will rest upon them in Jesus' name. Amen. God bless you. Thank you very much. Individuals in this place, I will be coming to you in a minute. But first, ladies and gentlemen, please, a round of applause. Celebrate her. Just look at her in all her splendor. Is it the key? Is it the dress? It is fantastically put together. Hey, please, don't hide the spotlight. So this is your day. It's your moment. So bask in the ambiance of everybody here. Ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate. Yes, she's shy, but don't worry, we'll bring that out of her. Right, we're going to go straight into the dinner. As we can see that everyone is getting, I know everyone is hungry at the moment. And the dinner table is already open, as you can see. We've got a variety for you. Now we'll be going table by table. We'll start with table 2 and work our way around. Thank you.
For my baby girl. scatter the floor for me. See, do you know my baby? Her name is Panya, that in Africa lady yo. Panya, Omo Panya, they scatter my brain yo. Beautiful lady yo, that kind of Africa lady yo. See, I sing in the song for Panya, and I dance in the dance for Panya oh. I would do anything for Panya, anything yeah. And I thank the Lord for Panya. What is my baby name? What is your baby name?
Ladies and gentlemen, please give the celebrant a rapturous round of applause. Hey, hey, hey! Clearly she did not come to play. Oh no! Oh no! Clearly she. And I would ask Pastor Sunday to join me on the stage for his presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a warm welcome as he makes his way down. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a rapturous round of applause.
Well, first of all, my name is Paisley, the guy with the bad dance moves. Well, anyway, I'd like to talk about my amazing mother, Lauretta. On the 29th of December 2006, I was born. And maybe I was the best child till then. But then, when the troublesome tears came around, God bless her soul. What I'd like to say is, she's been like the best mother I could ever ask for. Caring and wonderful. And I couldn't trade her for anyone else. So really what I'm trying to say is, from me and all the other little monsters that you have to deal with every day, thank you for looking after us.
My speech is going to be very short, not as good as Paisley's, but still something. So, my mum, she's turned 40. And 14 years ago, I was born. She was there. She supported me, helped me through everything, through good times and through bad. And I just want to say, from the bottom of my heart, happy birthday.
Thank you, babe. Thank you, Papa Laura.
I love mommy.
Yeah.
Lauretta Forty. She's 40 years old. Tell you that I've known her since she was 22. So she spent 18 years with me. Wow. We've been married for 16 years. She's the same as yesterday, still the same today. She's the best thing I could have ever asked for. That's why when I tell people when you want to get married to someone that understands you. She can read me like a book. I read her like a book. So there's really nothing much to say that I love her and I thank you for coming to celebrate with her. It's her 40th and I hope she will get time to celebrate the 50, the 60, 70, 80. I knew when we celebrated that together. Chief Salako and Co. Yeah, I know. And then you said, this wasn't loud, you're a playboy. Well, I'm not. 18 years, I'm still going. Don't worry.
So 18 years is not a joke. So once again, I would ask that you put your hands together for that magnificent speech. Now, you are the original team captain for the ladies' side. Now you are going to go into the field and pick a gentleman who's going to captain the men's team. Whether it is Hobby that's going to do it, or Paul Hobby, let him join us.
Don't worry, he's busy.
Who's going to captain our men's team? Don't worry. DJ, I hope you are ready for me. Okay. Alright, I need you on this side. Maga, I need you on this side with me. Okay. Now here's our rules of engagement. First of all, because we are going to involve the audience in this, so whoever gets chosen, don't be shy, just arrange yourself and come out and join us. Lauretta, I need you to go into the field and go and pluck 2 people to come and join you for your team. Those 2 people will be your champions. Bring them forward. Maga, you need to do the same. Go in there, pick 2 guys that will join you and be your champion. 7, 6, 5. Here we go. Don't be shy, yo, because the boys will go. Oh, let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. After the reggae, play the blues. Make you do, that's I do. Enjoy yourself, baby.
action. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Boys. Ladies, if you want the girls to carry this thing, just warm up your voices right about now. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Girls! Clearly by unanimous decision, point to the girls' team. Which brings us to sudden death, because we have a tie. Okay. Now, this is how it's going to work. Team captains, come to my side, please. Are you ready for me? Okay, when you're ready, drop it like it's hot. Here we go. Hey! Hey! Come on, let's go! Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen! Okay. I'll let you know that whoever wins this now carries the game. In so doing, ladies and gentlemen, Team Girls! Fellas, like I said, no complaints if you do not support your guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Boys! Remember I said loudest shout wins the round. Captains, come forth. Ladies and gentlemen, our winner by unanimous decision, Team Girls! Please, a round of applause as they make their way to their seats. Thank you for playing.
ESUX
I really appreciate all of you for coming. Thank you for celebrating with Lauretta. She's the most selfless person I know. Very kind. If she's your friend, she'll fight your battles. She's always telling me, Kaya, it's flat back season, flat back, when people are attacking you. Well, here's to wishing Lauretta many more years. And thank you so much for having everyone. We're very happy to celebrate with you. And we wish you all the best. I love you, girl.
I want to say a very big thank you to everyone that came here. DCK, Mr. Victor Wonso, I see you. Chief Salako, I see you. Mr. Patrick, I see you. Yeah. SLLP, I see you. Violet, I see you. Joy, I see you. Christy, I see you. I see every one of you. Thank you so much. Martha, I see you. Thank you so much for coming. I know it's the bank holiday weekend. We have other better things to do today, but everybody has decided to turn up for me. So I'm really, really grateful from the bottom of my heart. I have people here from all over the world, from all over the world. My sister came from Nigeria. I've got friends from Holland. I've got family from Germany. So from Ireland. I just want to say thank you, a big, big thank you, and 1,000 kisses to everyone for taking their time out to come here today. Thank you so much. I love you all.
We wish you many more years to come, and we pray that the many blessings of the Almighty God descend mightily upon you. Ladies and gentlemen, to Miss Lauretta Forty. birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
If I tell you, say I love you, my money, my body, now your own, oh baby. My money, my body, now your own. Yeah, got it. If I tell you, say I love you, my money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, yo. Versace and Gucci for your body, yo, baby. No do, gotta for me. No do, said hello. No do, sakara, oh. No do, gotta for me. Very beautiful. My number one is tutu. See people go tutu. For your love is tutu. I go tutu. People are down with you. Show you do me juju. Cause I'm feeling the juju. Show it to you, I wanna catch it to you, You can have it to you, You I got it to you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. There's nothing above you. There's nothing above you, above you. Baby, get to you. I like your mini skirt, you. Baby, body, get to you. If I tell you, I love you. My money, my body, I love you. I can't do it. I hope she's happy to be out. Hope you love me sweet past she does. Every day I say I feel what you do. I just got my body. Your body. Everybody down now, there's somebody with a call. Go see the right now, I see your father.